This is actually before the start of Devamatmyam, Chandi. Markandeya Rishi only describes the 13 chapters. The 13 main chapters of Devamatmyam is told, narrated by Markandeya Maharishi. But for Markandeya, before, when he wanted protection, he asked Brahmadeva to give him how to protect oneself. This is only for us. Mainly he is asking on behalf of us. Markandeya is one who is blessed by Lord Shiva. This he is asking for all of us to get the protection. First we are asking for physical protection. You have to be physically healthy to do any kind of work. Even in your spiritual journey, if you need to continue, you have to be physically healthy. So everyone first asks for health. This Kavacham is meant for health, and it is when someone is sick or someone has got some issues with health, it is always good to recite. For your own self you can do it, for your family members you can do it, for anyone, thinking of them. So this gives a Durga protection. There are so many parts in our body, and each part is one Ishwari is protecting that, one power is protecting that, it's one Shakti is protecting that, making it work. Heart is to beat, there should be one Shakti that makes, that energy has to make it pump. Like that, each and every organ of ours, one Ishwari is there for that. We call that power which activates that particular organ as one name, Shakti. We give one name and ask that Shakti to activate that particular part, who resides in that part. This is exactly that. So, first, for this you don't need to do any this Rishi Nyasa. You can just read it. Main Nyasam only, it is enough if you do. The Saptashati Nyasam, when it comes, I will teach you how to do the Saptashati Nyasam. This Nyasam, you have to just read it. Okay? Atha Devya Kavacham.
Atha Devya Kavacham. Atha Devya Kavacham.
Om. Asya Sri Chandi Kavachasya Brahma Rishihi. Let us repeat one more time. Oh, okay. Om Asya Sri Chandi Kavachasya. Brahma Rishihi. Anushtup Chandah. Chamunda Devata. Anganya Sokta Matharo Bijam. Angan Sakta. Correct what you say. Anganya Sokta Matharo Bijam. Anga Nyasam. The Ishwaris attached to that Anganyasam or the Bijam for this. So Anganyasaktaro Anganyasokta Matharo Bijam. Ukta Anganyasakta Mathara Bijam. Okay? Anganyasokta Matharo Bijam.
अङ्गन्यासोक्तमातरो बीजम्
दिग्बन्ध देवतास्तत्त्वम्
दिग्बन्धदेवतास्तत्त्वम् दिग्बन्धदेवतास्तत्त्वम्
दिग्बन्ध देवतास् श्री जगदम्ब प्रीत्यर्थे
श्री जगदम्ब प्रीत्यर्थे श्री जगदम्ब प्रीत्यर्थे
सप्तशती
सप्तशती
पाठाङ्गत्वेन
पाठाङ्गत्वेन
जपे विनियोगः I will just recite it once. Listen carefully. I will slowly recite it. Okay. Om Asya Sri Chandi Kavachasya Brahma Rishihi Anushtuk Chandaha Chamunda Devata Ankanyasokta Mataro Bijam Digbandha Devadas Tattvam Shri Jagadamba Prityarthe Shaptashati Pathangatvena Jape Viniyogah. One more time to be repeated. We will proceed. Okay. Before start of everything, we worship Chandika. That is why Om Namas Chandikaya comes before every chapter starts. Every chapter starts, we have to repeat Om Namas Chandikaya.
Om Namas Chandikaya. Om Namas Chandikaya.
Markandeya Uvacha.
Markandeya Uvacha. Markandeya Uvacha.
Markandeya is asking the question to Brahma. Okay. Om Yat Guhyam Paramam Loke.
Yat Guhyam Paramam Loke. Yat Guhyam Paramam Loke.
Sarva Rakshakaram Nrunam.
Sarva Rakshakaram Nrunam. Sarva Rakshakaram Nrunam.
Yad Guhyam Paramam Loke.
Yad Guhyam Paramam Loke. Yad Guhyam Paramam Loke.
Sarva Rakshakaram Nrunam.
Sarva Rakshakaram Nrunam. Sarva Rakshakaram Nrunam.
Yanna Kasya
Yanna Kasya
Chitakyadam
Chitakyadam
Tanme Brumi Tanme Bruhi
Tanme Bruhi
Pitamaha Yanna Kasya Chitakyadam
Yanna Kasya Chitakyadam
Yanna Kasya Chitakyadam Tanme Bruhi Pitamaha.
Tanme Bruhi Pitamaha. Tanme Bruhi Pitamaha.
Markandeya is asking him, Yat Guhyam Paramam Loke. Guhyam means secret. Sarva Rakshagaram Ram, which is going to protect everything. What is the secret behind the one that is protecting everything in this world? Yanna kasya chitakyadam tanme bruhi pitamaha. So this is how he is asking. Pitamaha means Brahma. Brahma's name is Pitamaha. Please tell me, what is the thing? What is the secret thing that protects everything in this world? Sarva Rakshagaram, Paramam Loke, from all the worlds, everything is being protected. What is the secret behind? Yad Guhyam. Please tell me what is it that protects everything in this world. Brahmo Vacha. Asti guhyatamam vipra.
Asti guhyatamam vipra. Asti guhyatamam vipra.
Sarva bhutopakarakam.
Sarva bhutopakarakam. Sarva bhutopakarakam.
Guhyatamam means superlative degrees of secrecy. Guhyataram, guhyam, guhyadaram, guhyatamam. The most secret thing. Highly secretive. There is nothing beyond that. Superlative degree of secrecy. Asti guhyatamam vipra sarva bhutopakarakam. Guhyatamam, the most secret of the thing which helps all the souls, all the living beings in this world. Asti guhyatamam vipra.
Asti guhyatamam vipra.
Sarva bhutopakarakam.
Sarva bhutopakarakam. Sarva bhutopakarakam.
Devyastu kavacham punyam.
Devyastu kavacham punyam. Devyastu kavacham punyam.
Tat srunushva mahamune.
Tashrunushva mahamune.
That-
Tashrunushva mahamune.
Tat srunushva. That is what it is when it is played. Tat and srunushva. When the conjunction comes, that sandhi comes, tat srunushva. So when you have to recite, you have to say it as not tat shrunushva. You have to say as tat srunushva. Tat shrunushva. Okay? That is how it. That is the sandhi that comes there. Okay? Asti guhyatamam vipra sarva bodhopakarakam.
Asti guhyatamam vipra sarva bhutopakarakam. Asti guhyatamam vipra sarva bhutopakarakam.
Devyastu kavacham punyam.
Devyastu kavacham punyam. Devyastu kavacham punyam.
Tat srunushva mahamune.
Tashrunushva mahamune. Tashrunushva mahamune.
Okay, this is clear. The next line. Prathamam Shailaputri cha. Now the Navadurga, he is saying what is in the order they come. First Shailaputri. Prathamam Shailaputri cha.
Pratamam Shailaputri cha. Pratamam Shailaputri cha.
Dvitiyam Brahmacharini.
Dvitiyam brahmacharini. Dvitiyam brahmacharini.
Pratamam Shailaputri cha. Dvitiyam Brahmacharini.
Pratamam Shailaputri cha. Dvitiyam brahmacharini.
Okay.
Pratamam Shailaputri cha. Dvitiyam brahmacharini.
Trutiyam Chandra Ghanteti.
Trutiyam Chandra Ghanteti. Trutiyam Chandra Ghanteti.
Kushmandeti Chaturthakam.
Kushmandeti Chaturthakam. Kushmandeti Chaturthakam.
Trutiyam Chandra Ghanteti.
Trutiyam Chandra Ghanteti. Trutiyam Chandra Ghanteti.
Kushmandeti Chaturthakam. Kushmanda. Kushmanda means that normally we call it as white pumpkin is called Kushmanda. Ash god is called Kushmanda. So that is Kushmandeti is her, the one who holds her. That is the reason for main tantric upasana they keep that. Even to take out the drishti, they break the thing because Kushmanda makes the. I will explain to you once you learn this, because I will give a talk about that. Once we finish Kavacham, then you will understand. Without knowing the verses, there is no point in me talking about it. Okay, at that time I will explain. Probably next week also, where whatever we are learning, I will explain the meaning of each and every line, and then we proceed to the next. Okay. Trutiyam Chandra Ghanteti Kushmandeti Chaturthakam.
Trutiyam Chandra Ghanteti Kushmandeti Chaturthakam. Trutiyam Chandra Ghanteti Kushmandeti Chaturthakam.
Panchamam Skanda Mateti.
Panchamam Skanda Mateti. Panchamam Skanda Mateti.
Shashtam Katyayaniti cha.
Shashtam Katyayaniti cha. Shashtam Katyayaniti cha.
Panchamam Skanda Mateti.
Panchamam Skanda Mateti. Panchamam Skanda Mateti.
Shashtam Katyayaniti cha.
Shashtam Katyayaniti cha. Shashtam Katyayaniti cha.
Now we will say the full line. Panchamam Skanda Mateti. Shashtam Katyayaniti cha.
Panchamam Skanda Mateti. Shashtam Katyayaniti cha. Panchamam Skanda Mateti. Shashtam Katyayaniti cha.
Saptamam Kalaratriti.
Saptamam Kalaratriti. Saptamam Kalaratriti.
Mahagauriti Chashtamam.
Mahagauriti Chashtamam. Mahagauriti Chashtamam.
Saptamam Kalaratriti.
Saptamam Kalaratriti. Saptamam Kalaratriti.
Mahagauriti Chashtamam.
Mahagauriti Chashtamam. Mahagauriti Chashtamam.
Saptamam Kalaratriti. Mahagauriti Chashtamam.
Saptamam Kalaratriti. Mahagauriti Chashtamam. Saptamam Kalaratriti. Mahagauriti Chashtamam.
Navamam Siddhidatri cha.
Navamam Siddhidatri cha. Navamam Siddhidatri cha.
Navadurga Prakirtitaha.
Navadurga Prakirtitaha. Navadurga Prakirtitaha.
Navamam Siddhidatri cha.
Navamam Siddhidatri cha. Navamam Siddhidatri cha.
Navadurga Prakirtitaha.
Navadurga Prakirtitaha. Navadurga Prakirtitaha.
Navamam Siddhidatri cha. Navadurga Prakirtitaha.
Navamam Siddhidatri cha. Navadurga Prakirtitaha. Navamam Siddhidatri cha. Navadurga Prakirtitaha.
Uktan yetani namani.
Uktanyetani namani. Uktanyetani namani.
Brahmanaiva Mahatmana.
Brahmanaiva Mahatmana. Brahmanaiva Mahatmana.
Uktan yetani namani.
Uktanyetani namani. Uktanyetani namani.
Brahmanaiva Mahatmana.
Brahmanaiva Mahatmana. Brahmanaiva Mahatmana.
Now the next two lines, like next few lines, how the protection comes. Okay, where and all they protect you. Agnina dahyamanastu.
Agnina dahyamanastu. Agnina dahyamanastu.
Shatru madhye ghatorane.
Shatru madhye gatorane. Shatru madhye gatorane.
Agnina dahyamanastu.
Agnina dahyamanastu. Agnina dahyamanastu.
Shatru madhye ghatorane.
Shatru madhye gatorane. Shatru madhye gatorane.
Agnina dahyamanastu. Shatru madhye gatorane.
Agnina dahyamanastu. Shatru madhye gatorane. Agnina dahyamanastu. Shatru madhye gatorane.
Vishame durgame chaiva.
Vishame durgame chaiva. Vishame durgame chaiva.
Bhayartra sharanam gataha.
Bhayartha sharanam gataha. Bhayartha sharanam gataha.
Vishame durgame chaiva. That is means that is why it is called chaiva. Chaiva. That is the only one that can protect. Okay. So when we say only one, eva means only one. Vishame durgame chaiva.
Vishame durgame chaiva.
By
Vishame durgame chaiva.
Bhayarta sharanam gataha.
Bhayartha sharanam gataha. Bhayartha sharanam gataha.
Na tesham jayate kinchit.
Na tesham jayate kinchit. Na tesham jayate kinchit.
Ashubham ranashankhate.
Ashubham ranasankate.
So when it is said together, kinchit ashubham. Okay, kinchit ashubham. That is, now I am splitting it and telling, so you understand. Ashubham ranashankhate. Rana, in the battlefield, you get only ashubham, not shubham. That is the reason. Ashubham ranashankhate. When she comes to protect you, that is what. Na tesham jayate kinchit.
Na tesham jayate kinchit. Na tesham jayate kinchit.
Ashubham ranasankhate.
Ashubham ranasankate. Ashubham ranasankate.
Na tesham jayate kinchit ashubham ranasankhate.
Na tesham jayate kinchit ashubham ranasankate. Na tesham jayate kinchit ashubham ranasankate.
Napadam tasya pashyami.
Napadam tasya pashyami. Napadam tasya pashyami.
Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi.
Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi. Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi.
Napadam tasya pashyami.
Napadam tasya pashyami. Napadam tasya pashyami.
Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi.
Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi. Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi.
Napadam tasya pasyami. Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi.
Napadam tasya pashyami. Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi. Napadam tasya pashyami. Shoka dukkha bhayam nahi.
Yaistu bhaktya smrtha nunam.
Yaistu bhaktya smrta nunam. Yaistu bhaktya smrta nunam.
Yaistu bhaktya smrta nunam.
Yaistu bhaktya smrta nunam. Yaistu bhaktya smrta nunam.
Tesham vriddhih prajayate.
Tesham vriddhih prajayate. Tesham तेषां वृद्धिः प्रजायते
यैस्तु भक्त्या स्मृता नूनं
यैस्तु भक्त्या स्मृता नूनं यैस्तु भक्त्या स्मृता नूनं
तेषां वृद्धिः प्रजायते
तेषां वृद्धिः प्रजायते तेषां वृद्धिः प्रजायते
यैस्तु भक्त्या स्मृता नूनं तेषां वृद्धिः प्रजायते
यैस्तु भक्त्या स्मृता नूनं तेषां वृद्धिः प्रजायते यैस्तु भक्त्या स्मृता नूनं तेषां वृद्धिः प्रजायते
ये त्वां स्मरन्ति देवेशि
ये त्वां स्मरन्ति देवेशि ये त्वां स्मरन्ति देवेशि
He's not even saying to recite the names. Smaranti Deveshi. You just, when you are in this kind of a problem, with all this problem, just remember her. Think about her. Smaranti Deveshi. Smarana. He's asking only for smarana, not even patana. No? Ye tvam smaranti deveshi.
ये त्वां स्मरन्ति देवेशि ये त्वां स्मरन्ति देवेशि
रक्षसे तान्न संशयः
रक्षसे तान्न संशयः रक्षसे तान्न संशयः
So even if you just remember her, she will certainly protect you without any doubt. Na samshaya. Rakshase tan na samshaya. Okay? That is how it is. Tan na samshaya when we say it together. Okay? I will read the full line. Ye tvam smaranti deveshi rakshase tan na samshaya.
ये त्वां स्मरन्ति देवेशि रक्षसे तान्न संशयः ये त्वां स्मरन्ति देवेशि रक्षसे तान्न संशयः
Now all the matas heard their vaganas. Okay, each mata has got a, now Chamunda, Mahishas, Varahi, everyone has got a vahana, their vehicle. Okay, what they have, vahana. Preta samsthatu Chamunda.
Preta samsthatu Chamunda Preta samsthatu Chamunda
Varahi Mahishasana.
Varahi Mahishasana Varahi Mahishasana
Preta samsthatu Chamunda.
Preta samsthatu Chamunda Preta samsthatu Chamunda
Varahi Mahishasana.
Varahi Mahishasana Varahi Mahishasana
Preta samsthatu Chamunda. Varahi Mahishasana.
Preta samsthatu Chamunda Varahi Mahishasana Preta samsthatu Chamunda Varahi Mahishasana
Aindri Gaja Samarudha.
Aindri Gaja Samarudha Aindri Gaja Samarudha
Aindri means Indra's wife. So she is seated on a elephant. Gaja Samarudha. Arudha means seated on elephant. Aindri Gaja Samarudha.
Aindri Gaja Samarudha Aindri Gaja Samarudha
Vaishnavi Garudasana.
Vaishnavi Garudasana Vaishnavi Garudasana
Aindri Gaja Samarudha. Vaishnavi Garudasana.
Aindri Gaja Samarudha Vaishnavi Garudasana Aindri Gaja Samarudha Vaishnavi Garudasana
Maheshwari Vrusharudha.
Maheshwari Vrisharudha Maheshwari Vrisharudha
Kaumari Shikivahana.
Kaumari Shikivahana
Maheshwari means Maheshwaran's consort. She is coming on Vrisharudha, Vrishabha Vahana. Okay. And Shikhi Vahana means Mayura Vahana. Shikhi Vahana. Kaumari means Kumara, Kaumari. Kumara's consort is Kaumari. Okay. Kumara, Murugan per Kumara nu solranga. Consort is called Kaumari. Okay. Maheshwari Vrisharudha Kaumari Shikivahana.
Maheshwari Vrisharudha Kaumari Shikivahana. Maheshwari Vrisharudha Kaumari Shikivahana.
Lakshmi Padmasana Devi. Lakshmi, okay. Lakshmi Padmasana Devi.
Lakshmi Padmasana Devi. Lakshmi Padmasana Devi.
Padmahasta Haripriya.
Padmahasta Haripriya. Padmahasta Haripriya.
She is seated on Padmasana and she is holding Padmam in both the hasta. Padmahasta Haripriya. Vishnu Priya. Okay. Haripriya. Shweta Rupadara Devi.
Shweta Rupadara Devi. Shweta Rupadara Devi.
Ishwari Vrishavahana.
Ishwari Vrishavahana. Ishwari Vrishavahana.
Shweta Rupadara Devi.
Shweta Rupadara Devi. Shweta Rupadara Devi.
Ishwari Vrishavahana.
Ishwari Vrishavahana. Ishwari Vrishavahana.
Brahmi Hamsa Samarudha.
Brahmi Hamsa Samarudha. Brahmi Hamsa Samarudha.
Sarva Bharana Bhushita.
Sarva Bharana Bhushita. Sarva Bharana Bhushita.
Brahmi Hamsa Samarudha.
Brahmi Hamsa Samarudha. Brahmi Hamsa Samarudha.
Sarva Bharana Bhushita.
Sarva Bharana Bhushita. Sarva Bharana Bhushita.
Ityeta Mataras Sarva.
Ityeta Mataras Sarva. Ityeta Mataras Sarva.
Sarva Yoga Samanvitaha.
Sarva Yoga Samanvitaha. Sarva Yoga Samanvitaha.
Ityeta Mataras Sarva.
Ityeta Mataras Sarva.
Sarva
Mataras Sarva.
Sarva Yoga Samanvitaha.
Sarva Yoga Samanvitaha. Sarva Yoga Samanvitaha.
When you say that, Ityetva Matara Sarvaha, Sarva Yoga Samanvitaha, it comes like that. But when you say it as one line, you have to say Ityeta Matara Sarva, Sarva Yoga Samanvitaha. Is will come on both sides.
So
Both.
both places you're not saying the visarga then. You're only doing that sir.
Is. Is.
Both
Instead of that visarga, ha, you have to say last only you should use the visarga. Samanvitaha. Okay? So now listen carefully. Ityetha Mataras Sarva Sarva Yoga Samanvitaha.
Ityeta Mataras Sarva. Sarva Yoga Samanvitaha.
Both visargam where it comes, you have to use is. Okay? Is
So
you have.
Mummy, is it if you go back to 6, sorry,
No problem.
Vishame Durgame Chaiva Vayartaha. There is a visarga.
Bhayartha Sharanam
So
Gata.
that sha is again.
Yes. I told probably it was not clear. When I said, I thought I told that. Bhayartha Sharanam Gata Ish. You add that ish in that.
Asset should come where sir comes. Where sir comes, it is only yes.
Yes, okay. When the per comes next to visargam, if.
PH should come.
PH, if, okay. Remember that. This is the general rule when you are reciting the slogans. Okay. Ityeta mataras sarvas. Ityeta mataras sarvas sarva yoga samanvitaah.
Ityeta mataras sarva sarva yoga samanvitaah. Ityeta mataras sarva sarva yoga samanvitaah.
Very good. Nana bharana shobhadhya.
Nana bharana shobhadhya. Nana bharana shobhadhya.
Nana ratnopashobhitaah.
Nana ratnopashobhitaah. Nana ratnopashobhitaah.
The jewelry they were all wearing with all the gems. So, Nana bharana shobhadhya. Nana ratnopashobhitaah.
Nana bharana shobhadhya. Nana ratnopashobhitaah. Nana bharana shobhadhya. Nana ratnopashobhitaah.
We will stop with this now. I will recite the entire thing from Asya Sri to this 12 because this is one section we are finishing. The next one, again it is starting with a different one. So now up to the Mata, all the mothers, how it is described. Okay. First, now listen carefully, tell in your mind. Follow me in your mind slowly, reciting it along with me, but just in your mind, okay? Atha Devya Kavacham Om Asya Sri Chandi Kavachasya Brahma Rishihi Anushtup Chandaha Chamunda Devata Anganyasokta Mataro Bijam Dikbandha Devathas Tattvam Sri Jagadamba Prityarte Shaptashathi Pathangatvena Jape Viniyogah. Om Namaschandikaye. Markandeya Uvacha. Om Yadguhyam Paramam Loke Sarvarakshaakaram Nrunam Yanna Kasyachitakhyatham Tanme Broomi Pitamaha. Brahmovacha Asti Guhyatamam Vipra Sarvabhutopakarakam Devyastu Kavacham Punyam Tatsrunushva Mahamune. Prathamam Shailaputri cha Dvitiyam Brahmacharini Trutiyam Chandraghanteti Kushmandeti Chaturthakam Panchamam Skandamateti Shashtam Katyayaniti cha Saptamam Kalaratriti Mahagauriti Chashtamam Navamam Siddhidatri cha Navadurgah Prakirtitaah Uktan Yetani Namani Brahmanaiva Mahatmana Agnina Dahyamanastu Shatru Madhye Gathorane Vishame Durgame Chaiva Bhayata Sharanam Gatah Natesham Jayate Kinchid Ashubham Ranashankhate नापदं तस्य पश्यामि शोक दुःख भयं नहि यैस्तु भक्त्या स्मृता नूनं तेषां वृद्धिः प्रजायते ये त्वां स्मरन्ति देवेशि रक्षसे तान्न संशयः प्रेतसंस्थातु चामुण्डा वाराही महिषासना ऐन्द्री गजसमारूढा वैष्णवी गरुडासना माहेश्वरी वृषारूढा कौमारी शिखिवाहना लक्ष्मीः पद्मासना देवी पद्महस्ता हरिप्रिया श्वेतरूपधरा देवी ईश्वरी वृषवाहना ब्राह्मी हंससमारूढा सर्वाभरणभूषिता इत्येता मातरः सर्वाः सर्वयोगसमन्विताः नानाभरणशोभाढ्या नानारत्नोपशोभिताः. Now you have the confidence to recite with me once the whole thing. Okay? अथ देव्या कवचम् ॐ अस्य श्री चण्डी कवचस्य ब्रह्मा ऋषिः अनुष्टुप् छन्दः चामुण्डा देवता अङ्गन्यासोक्तमातरो बीजम् दिग्बन्ध देवतास्तत्त्वम् श्री जगदम्ब प्रीत्यर्थे सप्तशती पाठाङ्गत्वेन जपे विनियोगः. ॐ नमश्चण्डिकायै. मार्कण्डेय उवाच ॐ यद्गुह्यं परमं लोके सर्वरक्षाकरं नृणां यन्न कस्यचिदाख्यातं तन्मे ब्रूहि पितामह. ब्रह्मोवाच अस्ति गुह्यतमं विप्र सर्वभूतोपकारकम् देव्यास्तु कवचं पुण्यं तच्छृणुष्व महामुने. प्रथमं शैलपुत्री च द्वितीयं ब्रह्मचारिणी तृतीयं चन्द्रघण्टेति कूष्माण्डेति चतुर्थकम् पञ्चमं स्कन्दमातेति षष्ठं कात्यायनीति च सप्तमं कालरात्रीति महागौरीति चाष्टमम् नवमं सिद्धिदात्री च नवदुर्गाः प्रकीर्तिताः. उक्तान्येतानि नामानि ब्रह्मणैव महात्मना अग्निना दह्यमानस्तु शत्रुमध्ये गतोरणे विषमे दुर्गमे चैव भयार्ताः शरणं गताः. न तेषां जायते किञ्चित् अशुभं रणसङ्कटे नापदं तस्य पश्यामि शोकदुःखभयं नहि यैस्तु भक्त्या स्मृता नूनं तेषां वृद्धिः प्रजायते. यतां स्मरन्ति देवेशि रक्षसे तान्न संशयः. प्रेतसंस्थातु चामुण्डा वाराही महिषासना ऐन्द्री गजसमारूढा वैष्णवी गरुडासना माहेश्वरी वृषारूढा कौमारी शिखिवाहना लक्ष्मीः पद्मासना देवी पद्महस्ता हरिप्रिया श्वेतरूपधरा देवी ईश्वरी वृषवाहना Brahmi Hamsa Samarudha Sarvabharana Bhushita Ityeta Mataras Sarvas Sarva Yoga Samanvitaah Nana Bharana Shobhadya Nana Ratnopashobhitaah. Clear? Now, okay. Today we will have only this much. I'm not, because this is the first day, I don't want to just go overboard in this. We will stop with this today, and slowly you will, once you are familiar with the language, we can go a little faster. But now, because this is the beginning, I wanted to be very clear. Any doubts, please ask me.
So, Ami, when you're practicing, you just start and end here, or you have a way to end? Is there something else to end?
No. Now you are learning. No learning time, there is no this thing.
No.
There is no rules when you are learning it. So you learn. So from the next time when I am going to start, you start from the beginning and come to this, repeat the new one twice. Like that you can do it. By the time you finish Kavacham, your Kavacham should be by heart. Like now 3-4 times we have now repeated. Now itself you are familiar now with the words and things. So it will be like that only.
So while learning, no.
While learning, no rules. Once you finish learning, then we will, when you are going to recite it as full Kavacham. Once you finish Kavacham, you can recite it every day at home. There is nothing wrong in that. Kavacham only gives lot of protection, mainly health protection. So you can recite it every day once we finish. There is nothing wrong in that. It takes only 5 minutes to read. Recite. Once you learn it, it's very simple. Okay?
The number 10, line number 10 will be
Ah.
10 line.
Okay.
Lakshmi Padmasana. See, in Navadurga Prakirtita we say PH.
The same way, Lakshmi Padmasana
Here
Devi.
also PH should come.
Yeah, PH should come there also. Lakshmi Pad, because Lakshmi hi Padma.
Visarga precedes a pa, you have to do.
Whenever there is a visargam preceding the pa, you have to use if ph. If fa kada, if okay, if. Remember that rule. This is a common rule. Just remember that.
ஷாக்கு முன்னாடி
இஷ் போட்டுக்கோங்க அதுக்கு.
ஷாக்கு முன்னாடி SH போட்டுக்கணும். சாக்கு முன்னாடி
இஸ் போட்டுக்கோ. எஸ் போட்டுக்கோங்க. இஸ். Okay? You will know that. புரிஞ்சது இல்லையா? You are able to follow now. Sanskrit also வச்சிட்டு you are following it now. It's very how simple it is. First 1 or 2 sessions will be like, till you get into the groove. See, this is a very, very simple language. We have read lot of difficult things. Saundra Lahari itself is so difficult. Like you have to split and teach. But that also will come later. But not now. These are all very simple. It is a narrative kind of a thing. So language is very simple to this thing. Accepting that you have to learn it like this. You cannot just go and take the book and recite. That is the only thing in this. You have to learn and then recite. That is the one. Take it from someone and recite. That is the only rule. Otherwise, the language is very, very simple language. There is no swaram in that. The same raga is repeated. So only there are 1 or 2 this thing where the prayer comes, stuti comes, that meter changes. But otherwise, it is the same Anushtup. Anushtup Chanda is very easy to recite. Recitation ke liye Anushtup Chanda is very.
By hearting also.
It is easy. This is so easy.
Lalita Sahasranama came very fast. Vishnu Sahasranama, it's taking time. Though it is Anushtup Chanda, because of the tongue twisters.
No, there are a lot of repetition of namas in that.
Namas are there.
So you will skip and go somewhere else.
Yeah.
This has happened to me when I was learning.
Yeah.